to you.
माफी मांगे सर, चर्चा करना हमारा हक है सर। सर क्या आप हमें चर्चा नहीं करने देंगे सर? सर ये लोग कितना अनाप शनाप बोलते हैं, हमने कभी बोला है क्या?
Would you take your seat now? Take your seat.
ये बीजेपी वाले कितना
Take
कुछ
your
बोलते हैं
seat.
डिबेट के टाइम
Take
में,
your
तब
seat.
किसी को नहीं रोका जाता।
Please, please take your seat. Take your seat. What's wrong with you? Using that expression which is subjective, judgmental, your dignity will not go down. You need to withdraw.
I'm Mamta Banerjee soldier. बीजेपी वाले विड्रॉ करेंगे, हम नहीं करेंगे.
We will not apologize.
I'm never apologizing to you.
माफी मांगे सर, चर्चा करना हमारा हक है सर।
Honorable members,
सर क्या आप हमें चर्चा नहीं करने देंगे सर? सर ये लोग कितना अनाप शनाप बोलते हैं, हमने कभी बोला है क्या?
would you take your seat now? Take your seat.
ये बीजेपी वाले कितना
Take
कुछ
your
बोलते हैं
seat.
डिबेट के टाइम
Take
में,
your
तब
seat.
किसी को नहीं रोका जाता।
Take it. Honorable members, honorable members. One second. Honorable members, please take your seat. Take your seat. What's wrong with you? Your leader of the house has spoken. Honorable members, for last few days, we have had good, healthy discussion. There may be different points of view, and I would strongly urge the honorable member that using that expression which is subjective, judgmental, your dignity will not go down. You need to withdraw. I would delete it. No. One second. If any member of the house says that the other member डर गया है, is something which can neither be overlooked nor countenanced. Each member of the house, in his own right, has his dignity. I will look into everything, but it will increase your stature. It will make healthy debate. You need to withdraw that observation. The observation has been imparted with respect to India's Home Minister. This doesn't give good signal. No. No one interrupted. I allowed. So I would urge you, otherwise there are ways in which we deal with situations, deletion of it or otherwise, and I think he is saying a good suggestion. You need to withdraw that. Personal observations of any nature need to be avoided. I am totally opposed, and I am so happy the debate has been very nice in recent days. We have a Home Minister who has been here right from the beginning, and if there have been interventions, the intervention was jurisdictional. That one second. I think members will speak only after I conclude. So I would urge Saket Gokhale, since the objection is legitimate by leader of the house, it does not find approval of the chair. I do not want a promising member to derail himself, and therefore the personal observation withdraw. Saket. One second. So I stand by what I said,
Sir?
but I would appreciate you'll withdraw.
I greatly respect you, sir. I'm Mamta Banerjee soldier. बीजेपी वाले विड्रॉ करेंगे, हम नहीं करेंगे. Let me now come
The
to the
observation
NIA
is
and that's your call, sir.
One
That's your
second.
call. I won't withdraw.
The observation is deleted,
Fair, sir. That's your call. I'm not
and it is
withdrawing.
deleted because I find it not only unparliamentary, not only I find it unjustified, I find it is not well motivated.